Hello everyone, it's Zelda. Welcome back to a brand new video. And as you requested, I'm bringing you the Transform Dragon Miraculous tutorial. I made it super easy and quick, so let's get to it. The materials I used were 3 colors of acrylic paint, red, black and white. You don't have to use the white, I ended up actually not using it at all. A necklace cord, a black one would be better, or you can paint it black if you don't have a black one, and also some air dry clay. The first thing I did was take a bit of a ball of the air dry clay, smoosh it, and got this oval shape, and then with a toothpick I just drew 4 different indents onto the clay. We're gonna set this aside to dry and we're gonna make the back piece for this one. So I took another ball of clay and I took an object like you can use a pen, you can use your finger, your pinky will be better for this, and just make a nice deep gash in it. Make sure that when you do this, the small piece fits in the big piece. I had to do it a couple of times to get it right, but I think you should be fine if you just use a nice round object. As you're gonna see here, my little piece fits perfectly inside the big piece. There we go. Make sure you do this enough times so that you get this right, because we'll have to glue them together afterwards. Okay, let those 2 pieces dry, and after they dry, paint them red and black respectively. You can paint them white before to prime them, but I didn't and the paint showed up great, so you don't have to do that. I used white clay, so you know. Now be careful, you need to cut the cord like in my other Dragon Miraculous tutorial so it fits you like a choker. I cut it in half in the middle and then took a lighter to burn the edges so they don't freeze. The edges will freeze in the necklace cord that I used because it was fabric. But if you use plastic or anything else, it will not do that. As you can see here, the frizz is real. And we just have to, stop it, because we don't want to ruin it. After that, we're taking some hot glue. I didn't mention the hot glue in the ingredients. Again, see, I'm messing up this thing. We're just gonna glue the black piece onto the cord. I'm using a low heat temperature gun, so I can shape it into these nice fins. After you make them, you have to paint them black so they match your necklace, and no one can tell that they was hot glue. No one's gonna know. No one's gonna know, people. And that's all you have to do. Just hot glue the red piece onto the black piece and you're done. It was a pretty easy DIY and I hope you really enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm trying to pump at least 1 video a week. Currently I'm working on the Dirhenia Butterfly 1 tutorial, so sneak peek for that. I'm not showing it to you. There's no way I'm showing it to you. But I'm working it right now. I'm Miraculous Ladybug shirt. Happy Valentine's Day, although it's a day late. And I hope you all having a fantastic time. I'm working hard right now for YouTube and all that stuff. As I'm gonna say, this is not a craft I would suggest for kids because it involves hot glue and it is hot and you might get burned. But I love you all guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!